guys, and welcome to my apartment. As you can see, I'm not fully moved in yet. I just brought a bunch of stuff over, and today is Saturday, so I'll be focusing on putting everything into place, or at least I'll try to. And by the way, I got some really cute things in the mail. I received 2 PR packages, so let's open them together. The first one is by my favorite Japanese green tea brand. That's so cute. They even put a little handkerchief in there. When I lived in Japan, I used to drink this like every day, and they gave me some tea bags so I can make my own tea. And I can't wait to try their matcha flavor. I haven't tried it yet. So thank you very much, itoen. The second PR package is by Flower Nose, and look at the packaging. I always get so excited when I see that they send me PR. This is their new strawberry collection. I love how they always have hair clips that match the collections. Marshmallow powder puff. Let's open up to see the little heart. Then we have a hand cream, and when I saw this, I really wanted to get this. So I was so happy that this is in the package. Great for winter because I get really dry hands. Then we got 2 liquid blushes. Ooh, the color is really pretty. And it smells like strawberries, which is really fun because Flower Nose always matches like the smell of their products to the theme. I remember last season their stuff smelled like green tea because I've never had makeup that just smells like tea. This is the second blush. Ooh, this one's even prettier. I love when liquid blushes have like the thick applicator. Ooh, this one looked really pretty when I saw it online. It's their lip mud and it looks like a cake. It has like strawberries on top. Here we have a full eyeshadow palette. And once again, it smells like strawberries. Flower Nose has amazing hand mirrors. Let me attach the little bow they sent with it. You guys. Thank you, Flower Nose. I love you. That's my new closet. Do you guys like it? I didn't know that I have this many clothes. Apparently I do, and I suffered a lot. But I did also organize everything by color, so going from light to dark. So yeah, it's definitely my fault for wasting a lot of time on this. I also need more coat hangers, so I'm gonna have to go to IKEA because I do not like these plastic hangers. So that's kind of ruining the aesthetic. Also, I did get some lighting for the closet that you can like put on here, but they're not attached yet, so I'm gonna have to live with that like really warm tone light. Looks really cute. I like it. I still have to store these away, and I have to put my jewelry in here. You might be wondering what's behind these bags, and behind these bags I just store clothing that I don't wear every day. So to cover it up, I just put bags in front because I think it looks better. I also have this clothing rack, and I just put some pieces that I really like on it, like this cute blouse, this dress, and also just Japanese fashion that I really like. I just always put my favorite pieces on display like this. Yeah, and this won't be here permanently. I'll find a place for it.